Is Notepad refusing to open on your Windows PC? Maybe you click the icon and nothing happens, or the app opens and immediately closes. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through several practical fixes, starting with the quickest ones and moving to repair and reinstall options. First, close any Notepad window that may still be running, then try opening it again from the Start menu. If that doesn't work, restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary app or system issues, so it's always worth trying before making bigger changes. Next, check for Windows updates. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates. Install any available updates, then restart your computer if Windows asks you to. Keeping Windows current can resolve compatibility and app-related problems. If Notepad still won't open, try repairing the app. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Notepad, open its additional options, and select Advanced Options if available. Choose Repair. Windows will try to fix the app without removing its data. If repair doesn't solve the problem, return to the same Advanced Options page and choose Reset if that option is available. Resetting can clear the app's stored data and settings. So use this after repair rather than jumping straight to it. Another possibility is that the Notepad app itself needs an update. Open the Microsoft Store and go to Library, then check for available updates. If Notepad appears in the list, install its update and try launching it again. If Notepad still refuses to open, reinstalling the app may help. From Windows Settings, find Notepad under Installed Apps and uninstall it if the option is available. Then open Microsoft Store, search for Notepad, and install it again. After installation, launch Notepad and test it. Once Notepad opens again, create a quick text file and save it to confirm everything is working normally. If the problem continues even after repair, reset, updates, and reinstalling, the issue may involve Windows itself or another system component, and that's it. Start with the simple fixes, then work your way down the list. Thanks for watching.